Yo, what is up, everybody? And today we're gonna be unboxing a brand new iMac M1. By the way, this computer will be for my mom, so I won't be doing a full week of using this computer because my mom's laptop broke, shut down, or whatever you wanna call it. And let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Alright, so. Okay, so this is how the top of the Mac Mini is gonna look like. Over here says Mac Mini, nothing on the other side. Mac Mini right here, and then blank on the other side. So let's get started. Alright guys, so opening right up. Okay, that's good. Oh, you have a pull tab right here. Look at that. Okay. Just put this computer to the side. And we got designed by Apple in California. We got our cable. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah. So here is going to be a satisfying feel. There you go. And now, here is the back I/O ports. Okay. So far, we got surprisingly a good amount of I/O ports in the back of the computer. So in the back, you got two USB-A's, one HDMI, two USB, Thunderbolt 3, Ethernet jack, and the power cable and the power button. You're gonna put it in the back of the computer.
Oh wow, that's actually really nice.
Yeah, two USB-A's, two Thunderbolt 3s, HDMI,
AC,
and power.
and there's a little headphone port.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. And also we got a headphone port, but my mom's not gonna do it because she's only gonna use this for her work computer. There we go, put this down. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Unfortunately, I can't do setup videos of this because my mom went it back once I'm done with the video. So if you guys want to see reviews and news about this computer, just look up Ursula on YouTube. I think KBHD has a video about M1 computers and how they perform. So they claim to be better than some processors in a computer. So when it comes to like Final Cut or Premiere Pro or iMovie or whatever video editing platforms you're using for this computer. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.